everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my Sunday reset. I feel like I haven't done one of these in maybe a month or two. It's been a little bit, and I thought, you know what, I need to reset the house, I need to reset me, I need to get a couple of like grocery bits in, and I just want to show you guys how I kind of reset my week so I'm onto a good track. I'm Operation Health at the minute because we get married next year, and I'm trying to do everything I can daily to just help with that and like help prep me, and I honestly feel so much better for it. I've been taking supplements, I've been exercising more, I've been keeping our space and like our house and stuff a lot tidier and cleaner, and I can't even explain to you, doing little things like little and often make the biggest difference. But on my Sunday resets, I just like to obviously reset our whole space. I want to write a list with you guys of everything that I want to get done today, and I just want to feel good. It is a really lovely day today, and I'm excited to have a Sunday reset, and hopefully this will motivate you guys as well. The first thing I do to start my day, Bradley is on the AG1 health kick as well. He's doing an Ironman in September, and I think AG1 actually sponsor the Ironman. So he's been taking it daily as well, and it's been helping him with training and all that kind of stuff. So I have got my AG1 here, and I'm so excited to be partnered with them on today's video. If you haven't heard of AG1 before, they are a daily health drink with over 70 vitamins and minerals, and also other ingredients such as antioxidants and also gut-friendly bacteria as well. All you need from AG1 is 1 scoop a day. I have got my water here. I don't drink tap water anymore, and I really want to look at getting a filter in our tap, but literally all you need is 1 scoop a day, so it's so easy to incorporate this into your daily routine. It is the first thing I have every single morning. My goal at the moment is literally getting prepared for our wedding next year, like I said, but also I want to focus on health within. So I'm trying to do little and often and trying to work out at least 30 minutes a day. I want to eat cleaner as well, but obviously it all needs to be realistic and just fit into my busy life schedule as well. I love how this also comes with a 30-day supply, so it's one less thing you have to think about. It gets delivered straight to your door. Once you've opened it, you pop the lid on and you just pop this in your fridge. So the main benefits I've noticed from taking AG1 are my focus and my energy levels. Honestly guys, they have improved so much. So it provides nutrients that make sure that energy gets to where it really needs to be. So cool because it has minerals in it such as copper and chromium and so much more that basically help to unlock the energy from your food. So I drink this first thing in the morning. It's like the first thing that my body has, and then when I'm eating throughout the day, I can't even explain to you guys how much more energized I feel from taking my AG1. So can I just say, it doesn't taste bad. I feel like sometimes you can get drinks like this and you're like, oh, I know they're good for you, I know there's so many benefits in them, but it's not realistic for me to drink that on a daily basis. There is a reason that so many people love this. It tastes so nice. So it just makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine as well. They also have single-use sachets as well. So if you're traveling anywhere, you can literally just pop these in your bag with your bottle and then you're good to go. So if you're interested in AG1, you can scan my QR code here. If you go to drinkag1.com/AMRoseWalker or scan the QR code, you can now get 5 travel packs, vitamin D3 and K2, and also a welcome kit. Honestly guys, it's amazing, and it's just such a good way for me to have all of my vitamins and minerals in one drink first thing in the morning. I don't have to think about it, and the benefits of taking your vitamins and minerals in your AG1 drink are honestly insane. You will see improvements, I promise. So yeah, thank you so much to AG1 for sponsoring today's video. You've literally changed my lifestyle, my well-being, as well as Bradley's for his Ironman as well coming out. He has this on a daily basis, and I literally, if I know he's forgotten, I will shove these in his bag. So when he's at work, I'm like, have you taken your AG1 yet? And he's like, no, and I'm like, look into your bag. So he's always got these with him as well. And then we can get started. I might have to change my outfit. I don't know if it's very practical wearing a floaty summer dress and a shirt, but we'll see. If not, I might just change it. The hair might need to go up as well, but who knows. So a few hours have gone by. I've popped on my little gym outfit, oversized top, sports bra, leggings, just because I feel like the dress isn't as practical for when you're cleaning. So yeah, I've also slicked my hair back-ish, and I thought we could start off in the kitchen. We have made a little bit of a mess from eating. There's been some deliveries, just all that kind of stuff, and I always like to I also just put a wash on. So sorry about that. I always like to start off in the kitchen. I am going to pop my checklist on screen so you guys can see everything that I'm doing and we can kind of like tick it off together. I've written it this morning and yeah, I just feel so much better for it, and I'm excited to like see everything ticked off. So wash load on, that's the first thing. Wash load on, first thing ticked off. Secondly, I just wanted to like tidy the kitchen, get everything back to scratch, and then kind of, I think I'll fill one of the buckets up with, do we have Zaflora? I don't know if we've got any more Zaflora. If not, I'll just use an anti-bac spray and then wipe all the surfaces and everything. And yeah, get it all lovely again. I also got these flowers. I made them. They're fake flowers from Amazon, but they're so pretty. So I thought we could pop these in like a little vase and put them somewhere as well. And yeah, love them. But anyway, let's start off in the kitchen. Starting off in the kitchen, I am just tidying away any mess that doesn't need to be out. This is always the first thing I do. I always like to start in the kitchen because it's like the base of the house, and I just find it so much easier. It's also the biggest room in the house, so I like to tackle this job first and I just feel so much better after. So putting away things in the dishwasher, hand washing bits and bobs, and also a job that I really needed to do, which I am going to make sure I do a lot at the minute, is take things off the worktops, give everything a really good wipe down with Zaflora, because one, it smells amazing, and two, it anti-bacs everything. And then putting it all back, you can kind of rearrange bits and bobs here and there, and honestly it refreshes your space so much. I love doing this. It just, yeah, instantly refreshes. It's just the best thing. Shining the sink is one of those jobs for me that I find it's so underrated, because it makes it look like you've got a brand new sink and your kitchen looks 10 times cleaner. I love it. I really like the new fairy, I think it's called Skip the Soak, which you can see in the corner here. It's so good. I also use Sif as well, and then I'll just go in with a really good sort of, I don't know if it's a microfiber cloth or one that's really good for like windows and stuff, to shine everything, and it makes such a difference. Again, just wiping away everything. You'll see I did have a cleaning caddy and I filled it with products so I could take it around the house with me, and I really recommend doing this because it makes like a speed clean so much better. And you can see my caddy here on the left. I just put anything in here that I need for like every single room of the house. So love doing this. Just rearranging some flowers now before moving on to the dining area.
Used to never do what's best for me. just kept making the same mistakes, yeah. That was until I found you.
So our dining area, we have this really big bookshelf and also our dining table. Ignore the bike. To be fair, I feel like I've got really used to it at the minute because I use it on a daily basis. So it's not really an eyesore to me like it used to be. So just kind of ignore that. But I am just dusting all of the bookshelf. It doesn't take as long as I think as well. I know there's a lot of shelves in here, but it's nice to kind of dust it and also rearrange bits and bobs here and there. It just kind of refreshes your space a little bit, and I love that. And I also love the smell of wood. What's it called? The wood spray that you use for cleaning. Oh my god, I don't know what it is. I find it so nostalgic to me and I love it. It's just so good. And I also use this on our dining table as well. Next up is the console table. So this just needed a little bit of a refresh, and also I wanted to put in my diffuser and use this oil. It smells so nice, it's so refreshing. It's a Jo Malone dupe, and I honestly couldn't recommend it enough. I get the Pure Scents from Amazon and I think they're like $2.99 or $3.99. They are just so good. So once that was on and filling the whole space with the lime basil and mandarin scent, I then just had a living room refresh. So I fluffed all the cushions up. I did hoover after the twins woke up, by the way. I just forgot to film it. So ignore any carpets on the floor that haven't been mopped or hoovered. I did do that when they woke up. But yeah, just dusting in here and making it smell so lovely and clean. Downstairs is done. I am so tired. But we've had lunch in the meantime, made mess literally straight away, and then I was like, nope, we need to set up a bit. So I've cleaned that back up again, and I have taken myself upstairs. Bradley is with the twins downstairs, and I thought I could do our bedroom now. It needs obviously a little bit of a refresh. There's not loads in terms of like mess. There's stuff obviously that I need to like put away, as you can see up here. But what I want to do is like obviously tidy it and clean it, and that I want to rearrange like this kind of stuff over here, and the tray. I kind of want to redo these kind of bits. This is like stationery stuff that needs to go into my dressing room. So yeah, I just thought we could have a little bit of refresh in here.
Standing underneath the lights.
So our bedroom, we did change our bed sheets already, so I didn't film that. However, if you have been putting off this job and you have loads of dust that gathers on your bed frame, I really recommend getting a lint roller. The amount of dust that came off was crazy, but also really satisfying, and it does such a good job. And it felt like we had a new bed after. It was so good. I definitely need to do this in my weekly routine because I am guilty of not doing this enough.
I can promise you're the only thing I see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me, and let our minds be caught up in a dream.
Next up in our bedroom was just refreshing our space a little bit. So on our windowsill, we've got quite a big windowsill, so I wanted to have a really nice arrangement. We had one before, but it had an old caddy on there and things like that, and I just wanted a fresh space, and I am so happy with how it looks. And I also done that for We've got like a little marble tray, as you can see here. I kind of changed that a little bit, and then also the drawers at the end, just a little bit of a refresh, change the plant. You guys know the drill, but it just makes like little and often changes makes such a big difference, and I love it.
It's like a made up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds become.
So my dressing room, it didn't need a lot doing to it. Just the typical doing the mirrors, hoovering, dusting. You guys know what it's like now. I'm so happy though with my new dressing table. I haven't featured it in like a clean video yet, and I just love how it looks. I kind of want to add some clothes and stuff to it though, so it's not fully finished, but I'm happy with how it's looking so far.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made up place that only we can see.
And then last but not least, bathrooms. I use Viacal and also the Flash bathroom spray, which is just my favourite thing to clean bathrooms with, and I love it. Also, Bradley did the main bathroom because I was like, I've done a lot, you can do that and hoover the stairs. So those were his jobs.
Stay until it disappears. One way, gonna lay down. Be still, won't waste another tear. Wait till it disappears.
So guys, the house is all done. I feel like I'm ready for the week. That was a good Sunday reset. I feel really sort of refreshed and stuff, and just I feel good. I'm gonna spend this evening going on Pinterest, which is always my favourite thing to do, and just feeling inspired for the week ahead, and it always just makes me feel so much better. I'm also going to write a to-do list of everything that I want to achieve for next week, and just try and stay as organised as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Thank you to AG1 for partly sponsoring today's video. All my information to AG1 will be in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video, hopefully on Wednesday. Bye guys.